Hey everyone, how is it going? Welcome to Bistégs TV. Today we're going to make something absolutely delicious and comforting, mung beans, Monggo with shrimp. This dish is not only packed with flavor, but it's also healthy and super satisfying. If you love hearty, savory meals that are easy to prepare, you're going to want to stick around until the very end. Here are the ingredients: fresh spinach leaves, ground pepper, cooking oil, onions, garlic, tomato, shrimp cube, fish sauce, and ginger. Ready to make your kitchen smell amazing? Let's get started. First things first, we'll cook the mung beans. Add them to a pot of water and let them boil for at least 30 minutes until they're soft and tender. Set it aside for later. Now, heat some cooking oil in your frying pan. Next, we're going to add garlic and ginger. This step releases all those amazing aromas that form the foundation of our dish. Give it a good stir and let the flavors blend. Time to toss in the onions. Stir them around until they soften and get that sweet, slightly caramelized color. The fragrance at this point, it's incredible. Next up, tomatoes. We're adding a fresh burst of flavor here. Stir them in with the onions, garlic, and ginger, and let everything come together beautifully. Now it's time to add our star ingredient, shrimp. Toss them into the pan and watch them turn from gray to a vibrant orange as they cook. This should only take a few minutes. Next, sprinkle in some ground pepper to add a nice kick of flavor. Stir everything together so the shrimp gets fully coated with the seasonings. This step is all about creating that juicy, flavorful foundation that will blend beautifully with our mung beans in just a minute. Cover the pan and let the shrimp cook for just a couple of minutes until they're bright orange and juicy. Be careful not to overcook them. Now that our shrimp is perfectly cooked, it's time to bring everything together. First, we're adding our cooked mung beans. This is what makes the dish so hearty and comforting. Carefully pour them into the pan with the shrimp and give everything a good stir. The mung beans absorb all the incredible flavors from the shrimp, garlic, and ginger, creating this thick, savory base. As you stir, you'll see how the beans start to blend with the other ingredients, making a rich, satisfying mix. But we're not done yet. To deepen the flavor, we're adding a shrimp cube. This little addition will bring even more seafood flavor to the dish, giving it a rich, umami-packed punch. Crumble it in, stir, and watch as it dissolves into the sauce. If the mixture is looking a little thick, no worries. Just add a glass of water to loosen it up. Stir it in slowly, making sure to get that perfect consistency, thick but still slightly soupy. Now we'll let it boil for a few minutes. This helps the mung beans soak up even more flavor and lets all the ingredients marry together. The broth will become richer and the shrimp will get even juicier. As it simmers, the aroma is just heavenly. The sweetness of the shrimp, the nuttiness of the mung beans, and that hint of garlic and ginger, this dish is all about layers of flavor. We're almost there. Now, add a dash of fish sauce. This is going to boost the umami flavor, and toss in those spinach leaves. Let it all cook for a few minutes until the spinach wilts and the dish is bubbling. This smells amazing. The shrimp, mung beans, and that savory broth all come together to make such a rich and flavorful dish. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. Let's see how we did. Wow. The mung beans are perfectly tender, and they've soaked up all the delicious broth. The shrimp are juicy and flavorful, with just the right amount of seasoning, and that hint of garlic and ginger. It's really elevating the entire dish. The spinach adds that nice fresh element, balancing out the richness of the broth, and the fish sauce gives it that punch of umami, making every bite irresistible. And the best part? It's easy to make and packed with nutrients. Shrimp gives you that healthy dose of protein, while mung beans are a great source of fiber and vitamins. Our mung beans Monggo with shrimp is ready. It's really delicious. Thanks for cooking with us today on Bistégs TV. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more delicious dishes. Thank you. Cheers.